number 8. If you look at number 8 equations, they both have two x's, one on the left, one on the right. These are called equations with two variables, two x's. To avoid negative coefficients, always try to cancel out the smaller x first. Always try to cancel out the smaller x first. No matter what side it is on. So you have x plus 7. That's 1x. If you don't see a sign, there's an invisible 1 in front of the x. The coefficient is 1 if you don't see a coefficient. Sorry, if you don't see a coefficient, then it's 1. So we have a 1x and a 5x. So we begin by cancelling out the 1x, a positive 1x. To cancel the positive 1x, we subtract 1x. 1x is smaller than 5x. And this will allow for the avoiding of negative numbers, negative coefficient. So you see 5 minus 1 is 4. If we were to cancel all the 5, we would have 1 minus 5 is negative 4. And then we have to deliver negative sign. So always, for good practice, to avoid negative coefficients, cancel out the smaller x first. It's easier. You get less hassle with a negative sign, a negative coefficient. So you have 7 on the left side, and 5 minus 1 is 4. 4x on the right side. So once our x is positive, leave it where it is. So 4x, our x is on the right side, leave it there. So what we need to do now is to cancel out the negative 9. Once your x is positive, just leave it right where it is and deal with the numbers. So we have to cancel out negative 9 by adding 9. And if we add 9 on the right, we've got to add 9 on the left. And negative 9 plus 9, it gives us 0. So 9 cancels out from the right side. And we left 7 plus 9, that's 16. And finally, we divide it by a positive 4. And train yourself to read from right to left. Mathematics, you can read from right to left. Starting with the x, we're going to get 1x, leave it on the right side. 1x is equal to 16 divided by 4 is 4. X is equal to 4.